All right. I don't know how much of the video got cut off, but
we're back.
Just filming.
Yeah.
Get something going here. So it is so bright. Hopefully it's in focus. Now it's all zoomed in on the background. That looks kind of cool. Hell yeah.
There's one of these spots over here where you can see down on the ramps.
Oh, is that like a bike ramp?
Yeah.
Damn. How the hell do you get down there?
Down this way.
That's pretty sick. Yeah, whenever I get a bike, I want to try and roll around over here.
It made me want to get one.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. I wonder what it would look like with the ND.
Time to experiment.
Grab this bad boy. There we go.
Somebody's been doing some real work down here, bro. It's fucking impressive.
This lens is so wide. I have to get right up.
Yeah, this is still a work in progress. There's all kinds of tripping hazards and shit, and it's kind of wet out. We probably should walk back up out of here. And I almost got ran over by a kid last time because he was hauling ass down. To get smashed by some kid going 40 miles an hour on a bike would not probably be fun. I think the trail goes around that far. The trail at the top. Yeah, there's one up here. I don't know who the fuck's doing the work, but they knew what kids are gonna live for.
Dude, that's intense. But some kid probably busts that shit. He's like, whoa. I didn't realize all this was over here.
I'm not sure what they're gonna do up here. Hopefully they make it kind of like a little sitting pavilion for people. Into somewhere for people to sit and chill, maybe barbecue.
Yeah, having a barbecue would be dope. That tower looks pretty cool. I didn't even notice that till now.
Oh, are you trying to get a good angle of the tower? There's got to be a clear spot.
5 minutes later.
Man, if you want to incorporate one of the trees or something, you'd be fucking set. But as far as a perfectly clear spot, I don't know.
I'm gonna go down the hill a bit.
I wonder if instead of coming down here, we should have gone up.
Yeah.
Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up!
Damn.
Dude, there's a whole nother park up here that I didn't even know existed.
Huh. What the hell? Here, maybe?
I love the name of the place.
Beyond Thunderdome.
Welcome to Thunderdome, bitch.
Nice. I guess people can just park their cars here and just hop on the trail.
Ugh. What does this say?
Ooh, bird.
Wow, that's a badass picture. You took a picture of the cardinal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wonder how close I can get to him. You can see him being like...
Say, ooh.
Look at that. The second he flew off, the other one landed.
Huh.
Ancestors looking out, man. I wasn't sure what you were taking pictures of.
That's interesting.
They used some CNC drop. That's all CNC drop. Looks like that was welded together for some reason. That texture. That's a cool texture. Look at all the circles.
Let's see.
Wow. Those are beautiful, dude.
Yeah, it is really pretty. Hooah! That's gonna look dope. Those flowers look pretty nice. Probably help if I turned on my camera. All right. Where'd it go? There it is. Nice. That's gonna be cool.
It's gonna be dope.
Yeah, I should have brought my boots.
Luckily, we didn't traipse through the mud. Oh, but let me show you this area. Their property goes all the way down to that brown fence down there. This is all the park. I walked the whole thing the other day. I like the kite that's just like hanging there.
Yeah, right.
I bet somebody was so sad.
The Mother Earth was like, tough luck, kid. Get another one. Trees look cool.
I think it's colder up here than it was down there.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, we're like at the top of the hill.
That looks crazy. I think I remember climbing up there once.
Up where?
Up on this roof.
You said you think you remember?
Yeah.
This guy.
I think it's over on this side. You can just kind of pull yourself up.
Kids.
This is like the last,
Yeah, I had to
whirly
ride this
gigs.
thing the other day.
I forget what they're actually called.
To be honest, I don't even remember.
I wonder if I can set this up on a frame. Hell yeah. These things are
These things are so much fun, dude.
right? They don't make them like they used to.
Nope. Dang, dude, I can't even do one push-up right now. I'm so fucked.
Ah, man, my forearms are sore from climbing. Oh, God.
I'm gonna be so dizzy when I get off here. Actually, not so bad. Huh.
Whoa. Damn. Who says you're too old to play at the park? Oh, shit. It's going too fast.
I think I worry more about hurting myself now than I did then.
Yeah, I guess you have more liabilities now.
That is true.
There we go. All right. I don't know how much of the video got cut off, but
We're
I was
back.
just filming. Yeah, we out here. Yeah, I need to dust off my lens a bit.
That was actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I would imagine. Yeah, the color actually looks pretty nice with this combo.
Damn.
Do you feel it?
Yeah, that's quite difficult. I kept my feet on there and tried climbing it like a ladder as far as I could, but when you get to about here, your weight shifts from your feet to your heads. You're like, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so fat,
yeah.
I'm so fat.
Well, if I'm ever gonna be rock climbing with gear, I'll probably need to, or I can put it in the bag first. Alright, so. Damn. I feel like my under grip is better than my over grip. Man, I can't imagine rock climbing with all those like clips and camera equipment.
Them fucking people are nuts, bro. Oh, with the crane? Oh, dude, that is a badass shot. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Have you seen videos of dudes that'll climb up those things and like stand out there on top of them?
These guys are nuts. Spontaneous shooting. Shot. Get it, got it, good. Get it, got it, good.
It's like the last of an era, man, as far as playgrounds goes.
Yeah, you could get going on these frickin' swings.
Yeah. We would run them to where they would go over. Like
Oh,
all the way
bet.
over and then like jump off and flip both front flip and back flip.
Front flip.
Well, there was a few flirps in there, I'd say.
Session recorded and done. Hell yeah.